into the other parts of dimensions of learner-centered learning. So, thank you.
Learner in social learning activities. Social cultural theory emphasizes the importance of understanding learners within their social, cultural, and historical context. The American Psychological Association's learner-centered principles further assert that interactive and collaborative learning environments enhance perspective taking and reflective thinking, fostering cognitive, social, and moral development, along with boosting self-esteem.
Yes, thank you. So, this explores how social cultural theory helps us understand learning within a context. So, it emphasizes the importance of considering learners' social, cultural, and historical background. So, background when designing learning So, when designing learning experiences. So, for example, is collaboration. So, pareho itong hindi mo inyo ganiha ang group activity. So di ba, nag-share mo different mga ideas, different perspective, nag-promote critical thinking, and nag-build sa more confidence para magpapagod sa katulangan. And for the social learning, so encourage group work, discussions, and peer feedback so that students could learn from each other's kanang mga learning. So next please.
Use of methodologies around collaborative practices emphasizes learning through interaction, communication, and collaboration in solving real-world problems. It goes beyond traditional cooperative learning by focusing on learning from experience and discourse. Situated cognition as defined by Brown, Collins, and Rubin in 1989 emphasizes the importance of learning within real-life context through social interaction.
So, pedagogies focus on collaborative practices, utilize teaching methods that encourage students to work together in small groups to solve problems, complete tasks, and learn from each other, fostering critical thinking, communication skills, and deeper understanding of the subject matter through shared knowledge and diverse perspectives. So, this means that learning is not just about absorbing information, but also actively engaging and using it to solve problems and using it to solve real-world situations to solve problems. So, learning is situated. So, according to Brown Collins, we learn best when we apply real life. We learn best when we apply real life context, just like interacting with others and using tools in meaningful ways. So we have here the cognitive apprenticeship. So can you read please?
Knowledge is the implementation of cognition by contextualizing learning, Brown et al. 1989. Through apprenticing learners to more experienced, experts, implicit and explicit concepts to be learned.